Wonder what you can do with this chalk? Yes, these are wonderful remedy for your plants to get calcium carbonate for the plants. So you can use them in your garden to get more flowers, especially for flowering plants. You can add this powder. So now I'm going to make a powder of them, and after that so now I have made a powder out of the chalk. So here it is. I'm going to add it to 1 liter water bottle. Okay. So dilute it in 1 liter. So now I'm going to add this water to my jasmine plant. It is really very beneficial. Adding it to my hibiscus plant. So